Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy. In this video, really I need to get ready, pull myself all the way together because I want to take some pictures today. I want to pretty much look cute, get my hair nice and wrapped for the next like 2 days pretty much because it doesn't really last that long. So I'm gonna mold my hair. I just washed my hair. I need to wet it again because it got really dry, and I don't like to mold my hair while it's super dry because then I have to use so much product. So I'm just using some water just to re-wet it. And this still smells like the product that was in it before. Alright, so the mousse I'm using today is the Latte Body with coconut and shea oils. It's the Wrap Me foaming lotion, foaming mousse. I normally do my part on this side. I'm just gonna do a simple mold today, a basic mold. So now I'm just going to put on some Rapid styling strips. Now that my hair is wrapped, I'm going to go under the dryer now, and when we come back, I'm going to put on some makeup. I'm going to do my makeup now. I'm not going to prime because, you know, I don't need it to last that long. I'm going to be using the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 520. To highlight, I'm using the Instant Age Rewind in the shade Tan. And guys, I'm just doing like an everyday simple makeup look. I'll probably add some shimmer to my lids, but that's pretty much it. I do this routine pretty much all the time. I'm actually in love with the Instant Age Rewind concealer. I really love the shade of it, the consistency. I also love the applicator. It's like, I don't know, it's like really soft and it's not like super harsh and tugging on your skin, but I love the color that it gives, especially for my complexion. So I'm just setting with a setting powder, and it's in the shade Banana. I remember when I used to So to contour, I'm just going to use the Morphe Filter Effect finishing powder in the shade 14. And this is one of my favorite products. It's like the perfect shade for me. It really warms up my face and brings everything together. It brings back that melanin. All right, so I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. I'm just gonna clean them up using my foundation and just fill it in a little bit with some brown pencil. They don't look that much different, but they're definitely a little bit more cleaned up. So I'm gonna jump into my eyes, but before I do that, I'm just gonna prime my eyelids, and I'm using an e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. The eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be working with today is the Dare to Create 39A palette from Morphe. So today I feel like I want to work with these colors here, these brown shades here. So I'm gonna, you know, build up with some brown tones and then put some gold on my lids. Yeah, so I'm gonna actually just transition with a lighter shade. I'll probably use this color here to transition. This is nice. That's a nice transition color. You guys taking that in? Let me move in a little closer for you guys. So I'm gonna just deepen the crease and the corner with this. I'm just gonna stop like halfway. So I'm just gonna put this on the lid right here. So this gold shade. Oh, this is so pretty. Ooh. With eyeshadow, especially on the lid, I never know how far up I'm supposed to go. Right, I usually just put it right there, but sometimes I see people put it all the way to the top. I'm like, am I supposed to be going all the way up there? All right, so I'm just blending everything, making sure, like, you know, there's no harsh lines. And supposedly the more you blend, the better it looks. So I'm gonna take my time and do that. All right, so that's how it looks. I'm gonna close my eyes and show you. Hope you guys can see. Hope it looks good too. Yeah, it's a drugstore blush. I'm gonna use this orange shade on this side here. I've actually been liking it lately. It's like I guess it's like a coral orange. Oh, I think I went heavy-handed on it. I love how this looks. It looks so nice. So let's move into the lips. I'm using Morphe lip liner in the shade Trendsetter. So I'm using this Revlon lipstick. It's a cream lipstick in the color Bare Affair. It's really creamy and it's pretty. Oh, I really love it. I didn't realize how much I liked it. Okay. I'm gonna add some gloss over it. This is Revlon Super Lustrous. And this is in the shade Sandstorm. I'm just gonna see if I can gloss it up a bit. I like using this because it brings back life to my eyebrows and I can really detail and define it. Makes it look 3D. I almost forgot to set my face and, you know, blend my makeup. I'm gonna be using the matte mineralized skin finish in, I think it's Deep Dark. Yeah. So this is just to mold everything together and set everything. You know, blow out any harsh lines. I'm gonna highlight using the MAC Gold Deposit, and I like to do it after I mist because I find that it really picks up the highlighter really well. You see that? Fix that up, fix that up. Okay, so we're done with our makeup. Honestly, guys, so back to my hair. I am not flat ironing my hair for the next 4 weeks. I think it's like 3 weeks now. So I won't flat iron my hair till after my next relaxer, or maybe even after that. As long as my hair is short enough to mold and go, then I won't be using any flat iron for now. So for my hair, I'm just gonna add some argan oil treatment throughout my hair. So this is the argan oil serum. The wrapper is not on it because my daughter ripped it off. So So this is just a serum. And now I'm just taking my fingers and I'm just gonna comb through and break up the stiffness from the mold, because I want it to look really, you know, relaxed and not too stiff. I could leave it like this, but I really want to, you know, add some more style to it. So I'm actually going to just take the comb and move my hair over like this and really just play with it, you know, to kind of give it like, so that it can look like I put like a flat iron in it, or like I did some kind of, you know, curl. So I don't know if you guys can see the difference here, but if you like kind of force it this way and then kind of bring it back, it makes it kind of look like you did something, you know. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is what I like to do. Don't forget to break up the back as well. So I'm breaking up the back. And then you can even go, like if you really want it to hold, you could take some beeswax or some type of holding product and just kind of make it look more piecey and more defined, and you can get like that kind of look, but instead it'll stay. But I'm not gonna do that today. I just want to keep it to down to one product right now, one styling product. So it looks like this. Let me show you guys the back. So the back is pretty plain, obviously, but what I like to do, let me turn it on first. I like to take my fingers and run it through it so that I can get more texture. That is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and this look. Yes, we're doing no heat for a few weeks, but we can still get, you know, a nice looking style. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as usual, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.